You are going to love the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.